In this quick video, I will show you how to convert EVMOS to BNB step by step. So the first step is to go to app.osmosis.zone and connect your wallet. Now we have two wallets here and I am going to choose Keplr wallet. Now once you have connected your Keplr wallet, go to assets here, scroll down, click view more, and you can see here the EVMOS. Just click deposit. Click get address here, then type the amount of EVMOS you want to deposit. For example, 10 EVMOS. Then click transfer coins to osmosis, and you can choose low, average, and high gas fee, and I'm going to choose low gas fee. Click approve. Then let's wait for the transaction to be completed. And now as you can see, the transaction was successful. Now let's go back to osmosis here. Click refresh. Now once you have deposited your EVMOS, go to swap here. Click here and click EVMOS. Then below here, click here and type down BNB and click wrap BNB. Now type down the amount of EVMOS you want to swap, but I'm going to swap the maximum amount of EVMOS I have in osmosis. Now you can see the equivalent amount of wrap BNB here. Just click swap, and again we have low, average, and high gas fee, and I'm going to choose low gas fee. Click approve. Then let's wait for the transaction to be completed. And now as you can see, the transaction was successful. Now let's go back to assets here, and you can see the balance of your wrap BNB. You will gonna need to transfer your wrap BNB to Binance Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet or any wallets. And in order to convert wrap BNB to BNB, you will gonna need to transfer your wrap BNB to Binance Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet or any wallet. Now go to satellite.money. Now for this part, let's find Binance, then click swap here and click here, then find Axel wrap BNB. Then you can type the amount of Axelar wrap BNB you want to transfer, but make sure that it is above 0.005 Axelar wrap BNB. Now I'm going to choose maximum amount of Axelar wrap BNB. And you can click autofill here so you don't have to copy and paste your destination address. Click generate deposit address, click confirm, click send from Keplr, and again you can choose any of these gas fee, any of these options, but I'm going to choose low gas fee. And now you can check your Metamask wallet. Click your Metamask wallet here, scroll down, and now you can see here the wrap BNB. You can just click swap here, click select a token, and click BNB. Click max here, review swap, and you're gonna need a gas fee here, but I don't have a gas fee or a BNB token, so I will not be able to swap the wrap BNB to BNB. But once you click swap here, you will now be able to see your BNB balance here, and we're done. And if you have any questions about how to convert EVMOS to BNB, leave a comment below.